Hello, let me show you the controls of the BMW R1250RT. This is a 2020 model. This is a keyless bike, so you just keep the key in your pocket. You switch the bike on here, just press down this button. Let's start on the left side. This button here, you pull it to flash and you push it forward for high beam. This button is the cruise control button. You switch it on like this. You can set the speed. Once the speed is set, you can accelerate or slow down. If you pull the clutch, brakes, or you push back the throttle, it stops cruising, and you can resume pulling the lever here. And you can also switch it off like this. This button is for the LED daylight. When you have the little A that is displayed here, that means automatically the bike will switch to the main light when it gets dark. Whatever this is on or off, there is always something on in the front. Okay, this button is for the hazard. Okay, no problem. The menu button now. So when you press down like this, you browse through the different pages of the menu. Okay, and you have a little diamond up here. This is a shortcut to the favorite page. How do you choose your favorite page? You just press and hold this button, and then you will be able to choose the page you like. I just press and hold, and now the diamond appears here. So this is my favorite page now. Okay, so now let's have a look at the different pages of the menu. Let's start with this one. This is the trip page. You have trip 1, trip 2. You select rotating the wheel here. So trip 1, trip 2, it shows here. Trip auto resets automatically every day. If you want to reset trip 1, you just push the wheel to the right, you press and hold, and it resets. I press the menu button. This is the heated handles. You rotate the wheel up or down to set the heat. When it's on, it's displayed here. Okay. Next page, same thing for the seat that is heated, and when it's on, you can see it here. For the passenger, you have a button here. Okay, where it is? Okay. 3 position, off, on, and there are 2 settings, 1 dot for the medium setting and 2 dots for the high setting. Okay, when it's on, it also shows here. Okay, so you can tell the passenger the heated seat is on. Okay, next page now. The settings of the bike, so you shouldn't need to go there. Suspension setting. So during the ride you can choose the setting of the dampers, dynamic or road. The dynamic setting will be stiffer. It shows here. And when the bike is stopped, you can also set the preload. 3 different settings, min, auto, and max. Auto, of course, is the one we will choose because automatically depending on the weight that is on the bike, the preload will adjust itself. Okay, I press menu button again. Here you can display the onboard computer info, and it shows here. You can display the average fuel consumption, instant fuel consumption, range, average speed, outside temperature. Tire pressure will display when the bike is running. Stopwatch, travel times. This is a travel time and the brake time. Date, oil level, battery voltage, and you can also turn it off. Oil level will display when the engine is hot and the bike has been running at idle long enough. Okay, and we are back to the trip menu. This button is for the windshield. You can set the height of the windshield. If you switch off the bike, the windshield will go down automatically. When you switch the bike on and you start riding, it will go back to the previous setting. Okay? Turn signal here. Left, right, push to cancel. It will also cancel by itself. The horn is under here. Okay. This button is the emergency call button. Unless you really have no option at all, you can use this one, of course, but you also have my mobile number on the contract, so you can call me. I'm here to help you. This button now is, so you can see a key and a suitcase. It's the central lock of the cases. You can hear that. So when you see this icon, that means all the cases are locked, as well as this compartment. Okay. For instance, if you arrive at a toll gate, you need to open. You press this button, and then you can open and have access to your credit card or coins or whatever. Okay. This button is for the riding modes. You can choose rain, road, or dynamic. This will modify the throttle response and suspension settings. You can see here dynamic because the riding mode is dynamic. If you want to modify the suspension, you can still do that through the menu. Okay, and you can have a dynamic engine and a road setting for the dampers. Okay, this button you push to kill the engine. To start the engine, you just press and hold until the engine starts. Okay, the fuel cap is keyless as well. I cannot open it now because the bike is on. I switch off the bike first, and then I can open the fuel cap. Okay, you can put unleaded 95 or 98. Let's talk about the audio system now. So here you can turn it on or off. Okay. SRC stands for source, so you can choose the source. This can be a USB plug that you can put in this compartment here. So you can plug a USB key here, and you will be able to to play the music and skip track pushing the wheel like this. Okay, you press source again. You have the aux input here as well. Okay, by the way, you can charge your phone on the USB plug. You press source again. You can have the radio. You turn the volume up or down like this. Okay. You have several modes for the radio. You can use it manually. You can browse through the memories on the radio. You can manually search the radio stations. Okay. And you can also do the auto search, so automatically you can also have medium wave or long wave, but if you do the auto search, it will look for all the radio stations, and you will then be able to go through all the radio stations where you are. To open the cases, very easy. You just press this button and you lift this lever. Okay. If you want to lock the cases, just press this button and the cases are locked. This is the exact same thing for the top case as well. Okay, if you want to open. Okay. To access under the seat, you still need the key. That is, with the key of the bike, you access here. You turn the key to the right, and then you can lift the seat. As the seat is heated, you have a cable here, so don't pull too hard. You have a few tools under the seat here and a high visibility jacket in case you have to stop on the side of the road. Okay, so I think that's about it. Thanks a lot for your attention. If you have any question, you have my mobile phone on the contract. And I just have to say, enjoy the ride. Thank you. Bye.